was so much fun, and now it's just like a couple of days later during the week, and I just got home from work. I was doing some stuff on my laptop. I'm feeling super tired right now, but I think I'm just gonna be making some dinner. I gotta get this makeup off my face because yeah, my skin has been breaking out. It's been so bad, and I got some new skincare, so I thought I would like share with you guys my skincare routine, and then we'll make some dinner together, and then we'll just chill together, and yeah. So my cat loves being in here for some reason, but I wanted to show you guys my skincare routine. It's new because I did get some new skincare. It's not just like any skincare though, it's specifically for like acne prone skin, and it's like medical grade. So I used to use cotton pads to take my makeup off, but now I got these like reusable ones. They're made from like bamboo or something like that. And I still use my Garnier micellar water. I have one that's actually for waterproof makeup that I like, but I have two right now, so I'm just trying to use them up. So I just wipe that across my face. I'm not like harsh with it or anything. I'm just really gentle across my face. My skin's not doing the best. That's why I got the skincare. This is, by the way, only my second time using it, so I can't really give a review on it yet or anything like that, but I have to use it for like at least 6 weeks before I can definitively say anything. And then I just press it on my eye and just kind of like keep pressing it because I don't want it to be rough around that area. I usually go in and clean this right away, so I put some soap. It usually cleans like pretty quickly, and then I just kind of scrub it together. And I just wring it out and I leave it to dry here on a little towel. So what I do is I'm gonna wet my face, and I wet the brush too. And then I grab some of the, it's called Zoe Skin Health, I think, like Z-O. And then it looks like this. It's just a cleanser. I get some on one side and some on the other side. Some on my forehead, some on my chin. And my brush is wet already, so I just go in and scrub it, and it'll make like white foamy stuff on my face. I'm being like really gentle, I'm not pressing too hard or anything. I then just rinse my brush with hot water. use this exfoliating polish. It just looks like that. Just use a tiny bit on each side. Alright guys, so I just showered. Basically for the rest of my skin, I just wiped this complexion pad on my skin, which has a really strong smell of, like, I don't know if it's alcohol or what is it, but it's really strong. And then I just moisturized right after, but you can see like my breakouts over here, and then I got one right there, and like I don't know what's going on, but I think it's stress related, but I really need to get a handle on it, so I hope this stuff helps. But I'm just gonna basically show you guys the other thing that I use on my face too. So I have this cream right here. It's prescription, but it is like so it's like a retinol cream basically for your face. I also have this Duac gel, which is just basically a benzoyl peroxide gel for when I have like big red pimples, like this one and this one right here. I think it's called retinol. I might be mistaken, but I don't know. And these ones I don't keep in my washroom. That's why I didn't do it in the washroom. I actually keep them in my fridge, so I have to go put these back in the fridge soon. And then I just, for my hair, I'm just basically going to brush out my hair and put it into some braids so that I can have curly hair tomorrow. Alright, so I just braided my hair. I did 2 fish braids, but I attached them to each other because I only had one hair tie. But yeah, so I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and it was kind of random, but I really wanted to get a video up this week for you guys. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.